Hello everyone, this is Sujata Bhattacharya, your gamer English teacher. If direct and indirect speech ever confuse you, especially WH question, then stay till the end of the video, and after this video, you will never get confused. So, when we change a question into indirect speech, the first rule is make it into a statement. That is, make it into an assertive statement. Second rule is remove question mark. Okay, question mark won't be there. Now, repeat after me. Question becomes statement. So, if in direct speech we say she said, "Where are you going?" In indirect speech, it becomes she asked where I was going. Now, often many of my students ask, "Ma'am, why are you changes into I was?" Then there are three tiny switches that flip when we change from direct to indirect speech. The first one is change the question into a statement. Change the question into a statement. So we stop using question order, which means are you will change into you are. Now, the second rule is, or the second switch is, change the pronoun. So, you in the question will change into I. The third and the last switch is, which is also very important, verb goes one step back because the reporting is past, which means am and are, which are the be verbs, they will change into was. So let us put it all together. Where are you changes into where you were, which ultimately changes into where I was. So the final statement becomes she asked where I was going. And yes, please do not use that after asked. So if this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Toodles.